Welcome to our beard trimmer showdown. Today, we're comparing two top contenders in the grooming world, the MANSCAPED, the Beard Hedger, and the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000. Both products promise precision and convenience, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into the details and find out. When it comes to pricing, the MANSCAPED the Beard Hedger comes in at $99, while the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is more budget-friendly at $64. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value for money. In terms of battery life, the MANSCAPED trimmer offers about 60 minutes of cordless use, which is decent. However, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 excels with an impressive 5 hours of runtime, making it a better option for extended grooming sessions without the need for frequent recharging. The MANSCAPED the Beard Hedger is designed specifically for beard trimming with 20 length settings, making it ideal for precise grooming. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is a versatile grooming kit that includes 19 attachments for beard, hair, and body grooming, catering to a wider range of grooming needs. In conclusion, both the MANSCAPED the Beard Hedger and the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 have their strengths. If you prioritize precision and premium quality, the Beard Hedger is a great choice. However, if you're looking for versatility and value, the Norelco Multigroom is hard to beat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.